A school. A school is a place where children go to learn reading, writing, different subjects, discipline, and values. A school is considered as the second home for children. A school has many rooms where we can learn many things like singing, dancing, and different subjects. Let us look at the different rooms in a school. Starting with a classroom. A classroom is a place where students learn about various subjects. Every student has their separate table and chairs to sit and study. The soft boards in the classroom are decorated with colorful charts and work done by the students. Science laboratory. A science laboratory has models and different equipments to perform science experiments and learn the concepts well. Maths laboratory. Maths laboratory has shapes, beads, abacus, and other mathematical instruments. It makes mathematics easy and fun to learn through various activities. Library. A library has many books such as subject books, comics, storybooks, magazines, newspapers, etc. The library is a place where we have to be very quiet while reading and studying. Computer lab. Computer is a major source of learning, and in the computer lab, children learn to use the computer. Art room. In the art room, students draw, color, paint, and create beautiful pictures with the help of their art teacher. Music room. In the music room, children learn to sing and play different musical instruments. Canteen. The school canteen provides healthy snacks and lunch. Students sit with their friends in the canteen to eat their meal. Staff room. All schools have a staff room. Teachers work in the staff room when they are not teaching. All important meetings and plannings are also held in the staff room. Playground. The school playground is huge. Students play different games in the playground. Annual sports, physical exercises, and slides are a part of a playground too. School auditorium. The school auditorium is a large room where students gather for morning prayers or important announcements. All the school functions like annual day, Children's Day or Teachers' Day celebrations are also held in this hall. Different people help to make school a joyful and safe place. Now let's see the people who work at school. Principal. The principal is the head of the school. Teachers. The teachers teach us different subjects. Librarian. The librarian looks after the library and helps us choose books to read. The bus driver. The school bus driver drives us to school and back home. Security guard. The security guard protects and guards the school and the students studying in it. Helpers. The helpers help keep the school and classrooms neat and tidy. A school always provides us with a lot of learning that helps us throughout our life. Children always look forward to going to school daily. Thank you for watching. For more educational and learning videos for children, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.